In this legal series, we are going to present non-banking finance companies in India, how they are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Non-banking finance company is reaching to the people through its loan system and activities other than the banking institution. If we take in the bankings in India, they are scheduled banks and a nationalized bank and private banks more. Foreign banks also. But all the banks are regulated by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, through its guidelines and everything. But as far as in the non-banking finance companies are concerned, they are registered under the Company Acts. Whether they are public limited company or private limited companies, whatever may be, they are registered it, through which the RBI issue guidelines and handles in the non-financing companies. Non-banking finance companies, they are offering the services investment, hire purchase and SIT funds. They are approaching the people through personal loans only, not any industrial investment. Through personal loan, it is spoiling the people also on side. More complaints and grievances are arising every day due to needs of the people. Due to needs of the people, the personal loan are offered in large scale. The people are attracted and fascinated through various schemes, not in suit with the regulations issued by Reserve Bank of India. The people are not aware of the regulation maximum, whereby the non-awareness of the people are the asset of these non-banking finance companies. If you go to the court, including High Court and Supreme Court and Trial Court, more cases are filed on the basis of the grievance of the people. The personal loans. When the people approach these NBFCs, they get with us also the paper signed. They are not allowed to read it. They are not allowed to go with the legal counsel to read the text and agreements. Whether these are suitable to the people or loaning, they are not allowed to do so. So these are the activities being done by the non-financing companies, non-banking finance companies, and whereby they are gathering a more gain. For example, if one person approach for the personal loan, he can repay the loan under certain conditions. If it's a bank, if it's a non-banking finance company, the regulations are same. But at the same time, within 3 months, they are making the defaulters, and whereby their properties are seized, and they go arbitration. There are also no information given to the people. Like that, more cases are pending in Indian courts. So the people have to know about the RBI regulation, how the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is controlling these non-banking finance companies. So we have to be alert in it. At the same time, the functions of non-banking finance companies are regulated and controlled by Reserve Bank of India under Chapter 3B of RBI Act 1934. Its registration must follow the guidelines laid down in Section 45(1)(a) of the RBI Act 1934. This indicates that for registration of NBFCs in India. So we have to follow the guidelines given by and regulation given by the Reserve Bank of India as far as the non-banking finance company functions in India is concerned. The grievances are a lot. The grievances are much by the personal loan people. So they are gathering more grievances. Those have to be sorted out. The people have to be aware about the RBI guidelines. Once again, I insist, the RBI guidelines are very important before signing an agreement with the non-banking finance company financial services. If you take the service of the non-banking finance companies are concerned, we can see in the investment in personal loan only to attack the personal people, not in industrial growth. So let the NBFC contribute their loan services to these small-scale industries to develop the India into the developed nation. Thank you.